Hey everyone, it's Tara Stiles. I hope you're having an amazing day so far. So here is a nice routine to focus on building core strength from the inside out. So everything that we're doing and the ways that I love to move and our community with Strala is always moving in agreement with yourself. So this idea of taking yourself with yourself or letting go of sort of exercising or moving one part of your body one way and another part of your body in a different direction. So I love when this idea of how we want to be in the world really matches how we're moving as well. And all of the East Asian arts teach us to move in agreement with ourselves, which is a lifelong practice. So I think something that's kind of tricky about yoga is we get in this idea where we kind of learn how to do a physical pose and that has an endpoint. And when we take that perspective away from the equation and more focus on learning how to move well, that's something we can always improve at and often even get even better at over the course of our life. So if we're just really working on nailing a pose and that's really the goal, sort of the next goal would be a more complicated or contortionistic version of that. So we get more and more kind of bindy or disconnected from ourselves. So really taking this idea of learning how to move really well. You know, if you're 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years old now, this is something if you begin today, you can become better at it tomorrow and next week and next month and next year, and something you can become even better at when you're in your 80s and 90s and hundreds. And of course, we're all going to live for so much longer now, so we might as well be healthy and radiant in the process. Okay, let's do some moves. All right, so we'll start sitting here, nice and comfortable. First, simply connecting with your breath, letting everything soften a bit. Take a big inhale through your nose. Easy exhale. Twice more, big inhale. Easy exhale. Once more, big inhale. Easy exhale. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. So even from there, some simple breath and body movement together, we're really connecting the breath to the body, softening enough so we can become movable. And then from there, let the breath start. The body can follow. We lift up. At the top of that inhale, when there's no more inhale, all we can do is exhale. And the body follows to relax and move along. So we'll keep doing that and move along in some more moves. All right, so just come to sit here and lean back just a little bit and lift the legs up here for a nice easy boat ride. So no need to hit any extreme shapes. You don't have to have straight legs or a really intense spine there. So just let yourself move around a little side to side here. Make sure you're comfortable. So the main thing is you'd like to be in a place where you can be easy in your body enough so you can be movable. So if you start to feel stiff or tense, just back out of it just enough so you can still be working, but still breathing here. And if you want to lift the arms up, you can keep the arms down, that's great too. So same thing, maybe even adding some gentle movements a little side to side. So even though we're in a move that's building strength from the inside out, you don't want to stay fixed in it and hold tense like you're done. If you kind of hit an endpoint or a position here, there's nowhere else to go from there. There's nowhere else to move to. So again, learning how to move really well and be easy in your body, especially when we're moving through things that are just a bit more challenging. All right, here we go. Ready to move some more. All right, ease all the way down and ease on up here. So really dropping your shoulders as you roll all the way down and breathing up and easing down and all the way up. And again here, rolling down. Get all the sides of your body as you move up and down here. So it's not linear, just straight up and down. Let yourself explore. Really be nice and spherical, like the world. You are a globe. easing down, and all the way up. You guys remember that song, We Are the World, We Are the Children. It's a good one. Okay, a couple more of these here, easing on down, nice and soft, and all the way up. Last one, easing down, and up. Okay, up to you. You can grab your ankles here. You can touch the toes and stretch the legs. Just a little bit of a breather. A little sway side to side. All right, we'll do some more. Roll on toward the side of your body here. Just lower all the way down. And then bring yourself up. And again, rolling down, all the way down. And then all the way, make sure you're really relaxed here in your extremities. So hands relaxed, feet relaxed, everything up. And again, easing down. And all the way, one more time each side here, softening down. And breathing up. And again, easing down, you got it. And up, okay, again, grab or touch your toes. You want to stretch the legs. Make sure you're breathing easy. All right, we'll bring your feet down toward the ground. Hands come behind you, fingers going towards your feet there. And lift everything all the way up. Gentle sway, breathing nice and full. And soften all the way down. All right, we'll come onto all fours here on your hands and knees. Take your time as you find your way. And just a few gentle movements of your breath and your spine here. So it's also important, thinking about it, moving from the middle of your body or taking your whole self with yourself, that you're moving in the way that feels right to you or feels intuitive for you. And of course, if you practice moving in this way, everything else will start to happen in that way as well. All right, here we go. Tuck your toes, big inhale, lift your hips up and back toward your down dog, settling in. Just a little bend in your knees and elbows, gentle sway of your hips. And lean toward your left side, big inhale, float your right leg way up and back, down dog split. Soften through your knees, open everything up. And arc this knee way high and around toward your right shoulder, nice and lifted here. Lean forward a little bit, a little roll from your hips and belly. And take this leg way up and back. So same thing, twisting, we're moving your whole body all the way forward. Make a nice shelf here on this opposite upper arm there. Lean forward a little bit. And take this leg way up and back. Down dog split. And low lunge, lean toward your left as you slide this foot right under between your hands. Separate your feet a little bit here so you're nice and stable. Roll your body up through your middle. Big inhale to lift. And easy, come on back down. Lean toward that left palm. Slide this front leg back around here for your plank pose. Settling in here. Little sway side to side, around and round. Remember, you are a globe, not a stick. Breathing easy. And lift up and back toward that down dog. Ease in the knees. Gentle sway of your hips. And lean toward your right, big inhale, take that left leg way up and back here. Roll everything open. And arc that knee way high and around toward that left shoulder, leaning forward a bit. Little roll from your hips and belly. And take the leg way up and back. And same thing, twisting, draw it all the way across your body. You can even lift up that opposite arm to hook that knee onto the arm there, roll around a bit. Explore. And float that leg way up and back. And low lunge, lean toward your right side as you slide that foot right on through. Nice distance from your feet there so you're stable. Roll your body up through your middle. Big inhale to lift. And easy, come on back down. Lean toward that right side. Slide your front leg back around here. Nice plank pose, just breathing. And this time, come all the way down. And we'll press right up and back toward your down dog. Settling everything. And ease your knees down toward the ground. And take a breather here. Nice child's pose. Let everything rest for a moment. When you're ready, gently roll yourself all the way up here. Simply connecting with yourself. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. And I hope you feel a lot more connected, taking your whole self with yourself. So keep practicing, and I'll see you soon.